귀여워. 끝. 언니. 설현. 저 끼쟁이 진짜.
너 피야? 하삐. 버클리에서의 진짜 행복한 2주였다. 2주.
친구들한테 소맥 알려주기.
En France, c'est juste un bon gros vin. I never heard it.
Wow.
오케이.
Yes, yeah.
What did you do that?
This mix. Yeah, mix.
Oh,
Korean.
mix.
Yeah, really.
Oh, this is Korean style?
Yeah.
Yeah, like he was savvy.
Okay.
Cheers.
Yeah, it's easy to drink.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but yeah, maybe.
It's like beer.
Yeah, it's like beer. But
But
you want to be a TV producer?
yeah.
So, I can't. Marketing?
Marketing?
Yeah.
Business?
Yeah.
No.
No. Economy?
No. You have two chances.
Two chance?
Yeah.
Is it difficult?
No.
No.
One more.
One more.
Last chance.
Physics.
Physics? Physics? No.
I know.
My major is history.
History.
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of history do you?
Korean history.
Korean history.
Yeah.
Oh. 건배사?
You know 건배사? Some sentences can by sentence. 사. 건배사.
건배사.
청춘은 바로 지금.
오케이, 청바지. 오케이.
청바지.
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 Okay, Sarah is an American. Yeah, in a line of trees. All right, let's take a look. Interesting. Not.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to go to lunch? Tomorrow
Our party.
yes. After school, I will go to gym.
Okay. See you tomorrow. You want to come to Paris, right? I want to go to Paris. Maybe next year. Yeah, let me know. Yeah. I will send you. Yeah. Do you know gyoza? Like dumpling? Yeah. Gyoza.
I'm walking back home, so I left my car on campus, and I got a parking ticket every single day, $80.
That's really good. To vote for the president. No, vote.
They were like, they're us telling them. Yes.
You did it? Yes. Yeah. There we go. You did it. Show me. Let's talk about not talking about it. No. You said yes. No, we don't care. Okay, so he became a billionaire because of Pixar. Very good answer. So Juan, you're graduating on Friday.
폴란드 도착. 여기서 얼마 남았네? 완전. 하이. 안녕. 이름이 뭐였죠?
제 한국 이름이 대호입니다.
대호?
대호.
한국어를 엄청 잘하시는데요. 저보다 잘하는 것 같아요.
머리도 잘 못해요.
너무 잘하는데.
한방
당연.
검사 어떻게 알아, 정말?
와. 뭐야 여기? 땡큐. 이따 봐. 안녕. 오빠 잠깐만. 뷰가 선생님 잠시만요. 뷰가 여기 지금 오클랜드 뷰잖아요. 그죠? 어디?
저기 있잖아.
응 맞아. 저기에서 불멍 돌 수 있는 거야? 언니 진짜 대박이잖아. 아 그럼 완전 머리가. 귀여운데? 진짜 이런 거 소리 아니거든. 아니 이거 다이가 빌려줘가지고 저 처음 입었어요 이런 거. 오, 아 웃기다 진짜. 아니 다이 저희는 또 다시 이제 다른 곳으로 가고 있습니다. 오늘 이제 또 비지걸네요. 비지걸. 우리 오늘
I learned that now.
Goodbye.
Don't say it like that.
Bye. See you. 진짜 왜 그러냐고.
Congratulations, Solhi.
오늘 파티의 호스트입니다.